Hello, my name is Shubham Bhagwat. My topic is cholinergic transmission and drugs. In cholinergic or parasympathetic system, acetylcholine is major neurohormonal transmitter at the preganglionic as well as postganglionic fibers. Synthesis and storage of acetylcholine. Choline is taken up by neuron by a specific transport system called sodium choline cotransporter. Acetyl-CoA donates acetyl group to choline to form acetylcholine with the help of enzyme choline acetyl transferase in exoplasm. This acetylcholine transported to the vesicles where it goes in the vesicle by active transport and stored it. Release of acetylcholine. The arrival of the impulse causes depolarization of the neurons, and this causes influx of the calcium into exoplasm, and after this fusion of axonal and vesicular membrane takes place and release of acetylcholine takes place, and this acetylcholine acts on the M and N receptor. Cholinergic drugs, cholinomimetics or parasympathomimetics, the drugs which produce action similar to that acetylcholine by directly interacting with the cholinergic receptor called cholinergic agonist, or by increasing availability of the acetylcholine at this site by decreasing its destruction called anticholinesterase. The mechanism action of cholinergic agonist and anticholinesterase. Cholinergic agonists are similar in structure like acetylcholine. They act directly on M and N receptor and stimulate this receptor. Mechanism action of the anticholinesterase. Anticholinesterase drugs inhibit cholinesterase enzyme, which is competitive antagonist, and these drugs protect acetylcholine from hydrolase and potentiate action of acetylcholine and produce cholinergic effect. Cholineceptors M and N. M1, which is excitatory, located on CNS gastric parietal cell. Pharmacological actions: CNS excitation, gastric acid secretion. M2, inhibitory, location heart, cardiac inhibition. M3, excitatory, exocrine glands, smooth muscle, vascular endothelial. Pharmacological action: secretion of glands, smooth muscle contraction, vasodilatation via nitric oxide. M4 and M5 present on CNS. Its action: memory, attention. फिर N type. NN, autonomic ganglion, effect of stimulation, increase in parasympathetic and sympathetic reaction. NN, present on adrenal medulla, effect of stimulation, increases in adrenaline and increases in BP. NM, present on skeletal muscle, increases in tone. NN, present on CNS and causes stimulation. Cholinergic drugs. Cholinergic drugs are categorized into cholinergic agonist and anticholinesterase. Cholinergic agonists are further classified into cholinesterase and alkaloid. Cholinesterase consists acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, bethanol, and alkaloids consist muscarine, pilocarpine, arecoline. Cholinomimetic alkaloids drugs: pilocarpine, muscarine, arecoline. Pilocarpine, it causes marked sweating, salivation, increases other secretions. Small dose causes fall in BP, but high dose causes rise in BP. Used only in eye as 0.5 to 4% in eye drops. Third line drugs in open angle glaucoma. Muscarine and arecoline, both these drugs has no therapeutic use. Muscarine occur in poisonous mushroom. Arecoline has prominent effect on CNS. Let us discuss MCQ. Preganglionic transmitter is sympathetic in sympathetic nerves. Answer: acetylcholine. Cholinergic receptor on blood vessel endothelial is M3. Which of the following is cholinergic agonist alkaloids? Answer is D. Pilocarpine. 4. Cholinergic drugs, also known as answer A. Parasympathomimetic drugs. Muscarinic receptor on blood vessel endothelial causes vasodilation through the NO.